If it becomes too difficult to pull the wheels off of your chair, you can pull straight back on the T-handle to release the torque arm pin. You can also loosen that fit by moving the frame clamp ever so slightly away from the pin. Just loosen the two main clamp screws, and after you readjust, make sure you retighten the screws in alternating fashion. Once the frame clamp adjustment is completed, ensure that the latch still releases properly and that you're able to release the wheels from the chair without any issues.